I'm Thinev. Today I'll be talking about a bird that you'll find in a very small area in Sri Lanka. The painted frankolin. The painted frankolin or painted partridge is a species of frankolin. Boldly patterned frankolin with conspicuous white spotting on the underparts and upper parts. Found only in grassy areas in central and southern India and in the lowlands of southeastern Sri Lanka. This species can be told apart from Black Francolin, female by the lack of the rufous hind collar and the white spots on the underside. The face is rufous and there is no dark stripe running behind the eye. Territorial males are occasionally seen calling from raised open perches including treetops, calls nearly identical to Black Francolin. They are easily detected by their loud calls, especially during the breeding season. Their calls are like locally named Thith Watu Kukula. I have not seen the painted frankolin. Although this is not an area where you can see them, these are pictures of one of our recent visits to Ramboda Falls near Norwegian. It's a nice walk to the falls where you will be presented with a magnificent waterfall right in front of you.